I'm going to carry my chemical. Let me get my chemical. Please, engineers, when doing your customers' work, please take your time and do a very good job for your customers so that they can enjoy your services. Okay, take your time and do the work. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, so now I want to use my chemical now. This is my chemical so that I can easily remove the power flex from the frame completely, so that I can fix the power button. So now I'm using my razor blade with the chemical so that I can easily remove it. Please be careful so that I don't damage the whole of the flex. Be careful. Do it gently. Do it gently. Okay. Do it gently. Gently. Okay. Take your time, engineers. Take your time.